To use Apple Pay on DHgate, a website offering a wide range of products at great prices, you must first have an Apple Pay card. Begin by opening a browser on your computer and navigating to DHgate.com. Then log into your account by clicking on the profile icon next to the search bar. If you haven't already logged in, you will be prompted to do so. Once logged in, you will be taken to the home page, where you can browse for the products you want to purchase and add them to your cart. After adding the desired products, click on the Checkout button, usually located at the top right of the page. You will then be asked to fill in your address details, including your name, address, state, country, and phone number. Ensure that the address you provide matches the one on your documents. In case you are required to undergo customs verification, once you have completed this step, click Save and proceed to the payment section. To use Apple Pay, select the Card option and enter your Apple Pay card number, expiration date, and security code. Click Apply at the bottom right corner of the page. Next, review your order details by scrolling down the page. If everything is correct, click on the Pay button, usually located on the right side of the page, and you will be redirected to the Apple Pay platform. Follow the on-screen instructions, fill in your credentials, and complete the payment. After the payment is processed, your order will be placed, and you will receive a confirmation email. You can then track the status of your order from the order page on the website.